Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to extract zip files on PC. Extracting zip files on the PC is super easy and simple. You can just simply take out all the files that is included into any zip and then you can use it. So first you have to make sure you have a zip file in your PC. Now once you have it, there will be two options to it. First you can get the WinRAR through which you can do it, but you have to install it. So the easiest way to do it, you have to do a right click onto it and you will see these options. Within that you will see the option for extract all. Simply click onto it and choose the file where you want to paste it. You can keep that existing one or browse it, select the file where you want to paste the extracted files. Once you're done, simply go with the option and after that you will see the zip file will be extracted. After that, a folder with the same name as the zip file will be there. So that's how you can extract a zip file in PC. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.